y'all, Crystal and MrsHappyHomemaker.com here, and I'm about to make Baked Seasoned Ritz Crackers. These are so simple, so flavorful. I'm about to show you how easy these are to put together. So we start off with a half a cup of melted butter, which is 1 stick. I'm gonna pour that in my mixing bowl. And 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 2 teaspoons of pepper and 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. I'm gonna mix that all together. Now to this, I'm gonna add 3 packages of Ritz Crackers. And stir it up, combine it, making sure that I get all that seasoning and all over the Ritz Crackers. So I have 2 parchment paper lined baking sheets here, and I'm going to just spread the Ritz Crackers evenly in between both of them in a single layer. So I'm going to throw these in my oven, 300 degrees for 20 minutes, and halfway through, I'm going to give them a flip. So the baked Ritz seasoned crackers are out of the oven, and they are perfect and delicious.